The prophet be a young. Prophet of God, and I asked them. Hey, a jogodo. I don't know what it is. What is this jogodo? Call me Daddy Prophet. Daddy Prophet. As you see my cousin, which one be say prophet to a talk me? Don't use that. Those are too local. Which one is talk me? Daddy Prophet. Jogodo. Jogodo. You have done a great job. This work where you work, so I will reward you. Me, prophet of God, I will reward you. As God they reward me for heaven, me go they reward you for earth. I just said make I tell you say the man that don't pay. I just say parlor, my parlor here just they use one can't be one get for fridge. You know what you want me to do so? Just use your money if they come tomorrow. Buy me one carton of red label. One carton. Wait, make I explain to you. Wait, cool down. Your money they come. I say make you come meet me for her tomorrow. I know if you go bank. Don't say get some kind of money when you pay now. All those government or call the all those banker police come say okay, one minute they come the investigate me they go. Wait, one carton of red label. One carton of whiskey. And one carton of all those you know all those wine now. What they call all those wine get white color. Now the one they put for root now. All those London gin, you know understand? Any other petty things when you take buy, all those beer, you know I say they like beer for step. Now after you don't drink those one, early morning you use cold beer, take step down, you complex and let that one beer, now you take. You know understand? Those kind of things, now me just want. Your money don't dey, Jogodo, just come, as you come tomorrow, bah. I go knock and give you. Now you go smile, go ask. I say, I won't bless you. As God they bless people, me won't bless you. I will need to reward you. I won't reward you because you don't do great work. Always say this one when you soon cost to travel now. You need to find that customer for me when you go to do on. You know say this you say you won't come out now. But that customer when you go feel see they run out, so. You understand? You know what I mean? I just use one beer taste step down. Just I said no matter thing. I just do some deliverance finish. Just step down, I'm the prophet.
Prophet! 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 Repent! Repent! Repent!
That's what happened. My angel be that spirit. Who she be? No, wait. At the place. Say me I repent, prophet, repent. Repent for wetin? If make me ask you, repent for wetin? Am I not the prophet of God? Okay, now devil work me they do so. Am I doing okay because I dey relax with one bottle of beer? No be the same type of take as a take small alcohol for your stomach sake. Drink but don't be drunk. What kind of nonsense is this? Repent. I dey fear you. Who be this small witch sef? Yeah. You get us, I don't owe you. I was drunk. Nonsense. I better relax with that. I will prophet, repent. Am I doing devil work? I will not say I will not. So, I dream my day. No, I don't understand. Who be that small girl? When they threaten me for dream, me prophet say repent. Okay, I never felt the penal they do prophet work. She get lost say I no hold line. I was strangled her till But wait, that girl. That one a spirit. I been a human being or an angel self. An angel. Because she vanished, she make me come out again. I feel fire with spirit. I've been an angel. Understand? Me prophecy, me repent again. Sure. See, anybody won't know anybody. May go tell that spirit I've been an angel. May not show for my dream again. Now me they talk and prophet. Leka baya. Huh? Prophet. Oh, you make cool. Me, Prophet Alabaska. I will strangle you to death. You just die instantly. I have no sense. She threatened me. To threaten you? For where? Pamayi. Next time I see you in my dream again, I'll finish you. This is not real life for you. I want to say the beer every day. Now is the beer follow up. I will beer. Oh, this bank. Which business they come? So when I dream see and I collect the money for dream, it need to happen. That girl they show for my dream. She they show. Well, her problem not be my problem. My major problem is that the money when I receive for that dream, I must see her for real life. Either the devil like it or not. Jogodo. We collect a lot. We receive money for dream. This money, we need friends that have money. Let them fall for our care. Jogodo, that money we must receive her. We don't see her for dream, but for real life, we must see her. Either they like it or not. Let me go back to my sleep.
Doctor, I just get severe problem with the raping from mind. So now good 5 years now I use this one between me and my woman married. So no issue. And she never taken one day.
Wow.
So that's me I consider.
Did you go for any test before?
No, we never go any test.
For good 5 years, you didn't bother to go for any test. Why?
Just the hope say go happen, 90 weeks like that.
Wow. Where's your wife now?
She has.
Okay, what we have is that let me schedule a time for you guys so that you come around with test for we to identify the electronic problem that causes it.
Okay, doctor. Okay.
Today is Saturday, right?
Yeah.
I will invite you guys on Monday by 7 p.m.
Okay.
so that you can run the test for you guys.
Okay.
So my guy to her.
Okay, doctor.
Thank you.
Jogodo.
But Blackie there.
Jogodo.
Blackie, I just do.
Jogodo. You know my person. I get issue when be say man. They really hit me for mad. Oh, Jogodo.
Well, Blackie, you don't see yourself. Everywhere they stay for this big ass. You know how many rooms in this house? In a minute, they stay this house, you know it for the reason.
Jogodo. I carry this house because of children. You know, say, now 5 good years. Now 5 years in your day, so when we say, me and my woman marry, issue never occur. This one a pain when they hit me for inside night.
Well, Blackie, this can't even happen. Then you know Waka.
Jogodo, we are never go. Doctor, I even see get appointment with doctor tomorrow. No fruit I never eat. I don't eat carrot, I don't eat banana, I don't eat groundnut, I don't eat pineapple. Which fruit you want call? When doctor say make I begin dey eat, say na those ones that they multiply the level when they penetrate, when they bring out the in fact na evil body. No one ever eat. I don't eat food so tey I tire. Join the one me I go eat when I like, join the one me I don't like. I don't eat all of them because it dey very important to me. Now every day and night I dey cry inside body.
See, Blackie, that one no be problem now. That one no be wetin you. You see this doctor, make you need that doctor. You know they see things don dey change. You know they see things don dey change.
I know.
E get one prophet wey you run am for me.
Prophet?
Prophet wey run am for me, no be say go come. Na small thing na human being. You go see me na human being, you go couple human being.
Prophet?
Prophet. If you go there carry your matter meet am na small thing.
I dey see am for your body. I dey see am.
I say this prophet, if he run am for you, this thing wey you dey talk na small thing. Under 3 months, 4 months, your wife don get belle.
Jogodo.
Na me dey tell you. Jogodo na dey tell you.
Na you na, I believe you na. I just see the way you come say the.
You no dey see am.
I tire o. Jogodo how far? Where this prophet dey, Jogodo?
That one no be problem. Na Jogodo dey tell you.
I believe you.
Na number 5 Yamakale, na he dey stay.
Where na Yamakale dey that year o?
Close to one roundabout.
Which one?
You go know am na where one camp dey like that.
E dey near where dem dey sell car, BMW. That one about
Yes, correct.
immigrant camp. E dey
Correct,
na the
correct.
street abi?
Yes.
I know am. Number 5. When dem take the same for house?
That no be problem na. 10 to 5 you go see am.
I don dey there. In fact, tomorrow I'll go that place. I'll go that place.
Make you go, not be this doctor wey you go dey meet na.
Your style here.
How this drugs na you dey keep body, you no get wetin you dey do.
Brother.
How me that baba you go tell you wetin you wan do.
If you look my fridge for there, no fruit you no go see for there. My guy. No. Pikin. Yeah. Morning. Let me call you this morning, more discuss. You know, say now good 5 years now it is so. Where we say to marriage, and no issue. They really pay me for mind. You understand me? Can you make me rent this big house? So that maybe children go there, will still be happy, all of us go there together. You know my friend Jogodo?
Yes.
He come see me yesterday. So I can still tell her how they pay me for mine, what they pay me. So, you know say you don't dey work now?
Ah, you go do all the work.
Yes now.
Thank God though.
Yes.
Thank
He do the work. So you say na one prophet na he help am. So he still say the prophet fit still help me. Say the prophet dey try. Say na only human being and that prophet never for a present couple. Say nothing when that prophet no dey do.
Prophet.
Yes, I mean. So you know say I dey go Roma tomorrow. I want to make you help me go see the prophet. I don't get chance. Help me you go see the prophet for a while.
But doctor say me cause sin tomorrow.
Forget doctor, wetin concern doctor when I dey go dey see. When be say me and toilet become friend, when stomach take dey purge me. No fruit I never eat, banana or plantain or carrot or pineapple. Which fruit I never eat? Me and toilet become friend when belle take dey purge me. I know e no concern doctor again. You understand? Go see the prophet tomorrow. You say the prophet dey via Makarali. Number 5. You know where immigrant camp dey now?
Yes.
That street where immigrant camp dey. Now that street you look for number 5 via Makarali. Say the prophet dey dey around 10 in the morning, go reach 5 in the evening. Yeah. Now next week me will come back from Roma. Yeah, do?
Okay, honey, no problem. I will do as you say.
Love you, baby.
Okay, love you too.
Where you dey come from this time?
Honey, I don't think when I take clothes since. I dey help my daddy dey do something for me.
La peace apata. Who is daddy?
My pastor.
Anya me daddy awe gbe thief wa onu e. Which pastor? Daddy. Oh yeah, turn back. Just turn back now, call me the daddy.
Honey, never reach like that.
Which never reach like that? How many times you don't call me daddy for this house? Huh? Pastor! Now you dey call daddy.